reduce distractions in yoga, start with your physical environment. You might consider turning off your phone or silencing it, and perhaps even refraining from using music. Music is really commonly used in yoga classes, but sometimes it has an effect of making the mind more active or takes the mind out of the present moment. So to reduce distractions and to create a state of mind that is more calm and itself more quiet, you might just consider keeping it silent in your space, silencing your phone, and keeping a nice calm environment for yourself. Also, just know that as you practice yoga, distractions will arise. The mind is very busy, and that's a good thing. It helps us think and respond to stuff all throughout the day. So the thoughts in the mind and other distractions, they're not the enemy. Instead, you can kind of reframe these distractions as reminders to come back to what you're doing, to come back to the present moment. Ways of doing this include tuning into physical sensations in the body and also remembering your intention for going about that practice. So you might do what you can to eliminate little distractions such as noise or alerts on your devices, but you can also just kind of regard the distractions that come from within as being part of the practice, a way to re-engage with the present moment.